So I did two things to this volume. Uh, for one, I cut the stem of the potentiometer, and by doing that, it's down to rest on the pick guard, and it also drags, so it's not as easy to turn. So I got two things out of it. So it works for me. Um, Without cutting the stem of the volume potentiometer, it would be up too high, and that bothered me. So this is a smaller knob, also much smaller. See it? It's harder to turn. See, so it's down. If you look at it carefully, it's down. It's touching the body, so it drags, and it's lower out of my way. So just idea, my own invention. Thanks.